Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Samsung Tab Active 3 and let me share with you how to soft reset your device. So the soft reset or force restart operation will be useful if for some reason your device stopped working properly, it does not respond to your touches, and you're not really sure what you can do right now. So to soft reset it, we have to press the power button, which is located right here, and the volume down button together and wait. Simply just like whilst doing a screenshot. So let's try to do it. Let me press. Oh, it can be hard because it's quite big. Let me press the power button and volume down button together and wait. Keep waiting. Of course, we've got this restart option. However, let's pretend we cannot tap on it. As you can see, we've got the black screen. I felt the vibration, so I can release the fingers. We've got the developer's logo, which simply means that in a second our device will be restarted and hopefully it will work perfectly fine again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.